Imagine finding an untouched island in the middle of the ocean. Crystal clear water, white sandy beaches, lush green forests. It looks like paradise. But what if stepping ashore meant facing deadly snakes, toxic gases, aggressive wildlife, or even people who have no intention of letting you leave alive? Across our planet are islands so dangerous that governments have banned visitors, scientists require special permission to enter, and some places remain almost completely untouched by the modern world. Today we're counting down the 10 most dangerous islands on Earth, and trust me, number one is unlike anywhere else on the planet. Our journey begins on Ramree Island, Myanmar. It may look peaceful, but its mangrove swamps are home to massive saltwater crocodiles, the largest reptiles on Earth. During World War II, retreating Japanese soldiers crossed these swamps, leading to one of history's most infamous crocodile stories. While historians debate the details, Ramree remains one of the world's most dangerous crocodile habitats. Next is Miyake-jima, Japan. This volcanic island constantly releases toxic sulfur dioxide gas. After a major eruption in 2000, the entire population was evacuated. Today, residents have returned, but many still carry gas masks in case gas levels suddenly become dangerous. Then there's Bikini Atoll in the Marshall Islands. With turquoise waters and white beaches, it looks like paradise. But between 1946 and 1958, the United States carried out 23 nuclear weapons tests here, including the powerful Castle Bravo explosion. Even decades later, the island remains a symbol of the lasting effects of nuclear testing. Réunion Island, a French territory in the Indian Ocean, is famous for surfing, but also for one of the highest shark attack rates in the world. Multiple fatal attacks led authorities to ban swimming and surfing in many areas, turning a tropical paradise into one of the world's most dangerous coastlines. Unlike every other island on this list, Surtsey, Iceland didn't even exist before 1963. It formed during an underwater volcanic eruption and is now closed to almost everyone. Scientists protect it so they can study how plants and animals naturally colonize brand new land without human interference. Japan's Izu Islands sit on one of the most active volcanic zones on Earth. Frequent earthquakes, eruptions, and poisonous gases constantly remind residents that nature is always in control. Just off New York City lies North Brother Island. Once a quarantine hospital for infectious diseases, it housed patients like the infamous Typhoid Mary. Today, abandoned buildings are slowly being reclaimed by nature, and public access is strictly prohibited. During World War II, Britain used Gruinard Island in Scotland to test anthrax as a biological weapon. The contamination was so severe that the island remained quarantined for decades, earning the chilling nickname Anthrax Island. At number 2 is Snake Island, officially called Ilha da Queimada Grande, Brazil. This isolated island is home to the critically endangered golden lancehead pit viper. With no natural predators and thousands of years of isolation, the snakes became one of the island's dominant species. Today, the Brazilian government only allows authorized researchers to visit. And finally, North Sentinel Island, India. Home to the Sentinelese, one of the world's last uncontacted indigenous peoples, the island has remained isolated for thousands of years. Outsiders who attempt to land are met with arrows and spears, not out of hostility alone, but because outside diseases could devastate the tribe. To protect both the Sentinelese and visitors, approaching the island is illegal. From above, it looks like paradise. But it's one of the few places on Earth where modern civilization simply does not belong. These islands remind us that even in today's connected world, there are still places ruled entirely by nature, history, and isolation. Which island surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Atlas, where curiosity leads to discovery.